Okay, so this is a Fanimation Palisade ceiling fan that I got from the 2017 Fanimation summer group trip. I got this fan for free, and it used to be in in the Fanimation Boardroom. It was installed by the door. It had carved wood blades, this light kit, and monkey right there, the P48 Monkey Acessory. But anyways, I'm finally testing it because I just like it so much, and one side has blades, this side that does not have blades, because it'll hit this thing. So yeah, um, it's dark right now because I think it looks the best like this with this gorgeous bowl by Fanimation. It's called the Hand Painted Parrot Bowl, and it's one of my favorite light kits ever. It's so pretty. But yeah, here it is. I have my landscape light there on and my under cabinet lights on, which provides some ambiance in the room, but it's still pretty dark because like all my track lights are off. But I will show you the fan with the lights on right now. It's much brighter. There's the whole fan. But I think I like it off. So, yeah. I am controlling this fan with... Sorry, my floor is a mess right now. Oops. I'm controlling this with this Fanimation TR24 remote control. That did not come with this fan, but it works with it. It has the Fanimation switch cup receiver instead of the wall control that came included, which is like I think $80 extra. So this fan is fully loaded up to the top because it has the light kit, the glass, monkey that I'm gonna get, and the switch cup receiver. So yeah, let's start with low speed. It's kind of noisy right now because this side has no blades. I know it's dark, but this side does. These are the Fanimation 22-inch oval palm leaf blades. I think it's called oval. But it's the ISP1 type, but the ISP1 type is for 5 blades, and this is 4, so it's more like ISP8 maybe? I'm not sure. No, the ISP8 is... It's like the PA1, I think, for Palisade. Turn my spotlight on. Tech lighting, sprocket with Wild Thing louver. It's super funny. That's why I like it. You can see the blades much nicer now. Medium. Slightly faster. It's gorgeous. Sadly, I have nowhere to install this monster because, wow, it's huge. It's humongous. And now, high speed. Gonna turn the light off. Spin down, which is extremely short because these blades are pitched at 40 degrees. So they are super steep. And it's going back because my blades are not balanced. So it like stops where it's the heaviest. Anyway, That's the fan. I know it's dark. The light is on like 25% brightness, so I'm gonna turn it up for you. It's gorgeous. There's it off. It's huge. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.